Michael from Just Press Play. Me and Jen and Fitz are getting ready to go hike a nice easy trail at Harrison Bay State Park. A little muddy today, but should be a good easy hike. Here's the entrance. Oh yeah, got a super easy trail to walk. Nice place to walk your dogs, or if you just want a nice relaxing hike. So it's like it'll be nice and easy. Like right at 4.5 miles. There's woods off to both sides. You will occasionally run into some mountain bikers quite a bit through here. It changes over to gravel, just a little bit muddy, even on a really rainy day. It's not bad at all. Here, down by the bay. Hope you don't see that squirrel. Neat. Yeah, it's just like it circles around the bay here. A lot of people fishing today. I bet there was 60 boats when we pulled in. Looks like the water's down quite a bit. Nice little view here, little sitting area. Go again. So coming up on the back side of the trail right now, we're maybe halfway through. It's still a real easy hike. Nothing to it. Nice cool day, just fun, easy walk. It's easy to stay on the trail. It just does one big circle pretty much. It seems like there was a white mark trail and a red mark. The red mark seems to be a little bit longer. It looks like the white part of the trail marked a little bit shorter, kind of cuts down the middle. Cool little walking bridge up here. It's like just been recently redone. It was brand new. Pretty cool. A long way. Come around you. Okay. Let's camp. Almost to the end of the trail right here. I'd give yourself about 2 hours. We stopped and let Fitz swim quite a bit and do his business a couple times and just took in the scenery. So you probably do an hour and a half or an hour, but give yourself a couple hours and enjoy the hike. So we're about 0.2 miles back to the beginning. Well, here we are back at the entrance here. It's an easy walk. I didn't really call it a hike, just pretty much just a walk through the woods, but fun. Especially if you got some limitations on your hike or an injury, this will be an easy walk for anyone. Here we are.